Today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E22, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So let me just go ahead and start. The first tip for this video, or the first feature that we would like to highlight to be precise, is the fingerprint screen unlock method. In order to set it up, open Settings, then enter the security category and tap on the respective fingerprint field over here. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking the screen, it is also required that we set up some backup screen lock method as well. The list of options we can choose from goes as pattern, PIN or password. More of the pattern guy myself, so I'll go for the pattern obviously, then enter the pattern or draw it basically and confirm it. After that, choose the notification content that will be visible at the lock screen. If you want to read some instructions. So the scanner is located at the side power key, as you can see. So in order to enroll your fingerprint, just gradually lay and lift your finger onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate the finger so each corner of it will be correctly scanned and enrolled. Alrighty, my fingerprint has been successfully added. Let me just go ahead and test it out, how well it unlocks the screen. As you can see, any other finger does not work, so great success. The second feature is another biometrical way of locking the screen, which, as you could already guess, is the face recognition. So let me open the same security category of settings and go for the face unlock section. It is, you can set it up and register the face data way easier. All you gotta do is, scan your face or put it inside the circle frame. I'll reset the face data since it is some, and after that let me just go ahead and register a new one. So simply place your face inside the circle camera frame, which I'll do off the screen real quick, and get it scanned. Alrighty, so my face has been successfully registered, added, and first and foremost scanned. Now we can also use the face recognition feature to unlock the display. So let me test it out. Well, it does not recognize me for some mysterious reason. Oh, now it does. That's interesting. So basically, the moment I align my face with the selfie camera, yep, now it works just fine. The display gets unlocked without any issues, almost. So let me test it out one more time. So as you can see right now, my selfie camera is pointing nowhere, not to my face at the very least. But the moment I align them together, the screen gets unlocked. Not as swift as the fingerprint unlock, but definitely adds some extra security layer to your system. So moving on to the third feature that we wanted to share with you guys is located at the display category. In the advanced section, it is called the screen refresh rate. So basically the phone provides us with 3 values: 60 Hz, which will get us, which will preserve some power for us, and 90 Hz, which will provide us with the smoother and silkier animations and overall visuals, but will consume a bit more battery. Or you can always set it to be automatic, and it will configure the best refresh rates automatically according to the current usage scenario. The third option, the third configuration for this video, is located at the system category, gestures section. It is basically the thing that we wanted to highlight is how you can switch your system navigation type between gestures and 3 digital buttons. Currently, and throughout the entire video, I've been using the gestures navigation type, but you can always set it to be classy 3-button navigation. And well, navigate through your system via 3 digital buttons at the bottom. As I mentioned, a very classic, even old-fashioned, should I say, way of navigating through the Android system. I'm myself more of the gestures navigation type guy, so I'll just set it to be gestures. But as I mentioned, if you prefer digital buttons, just go for it. So the 5th and final tip for this video is a very small one. So as you can see currently, I'm not able to precisely see how much power I have left. In order for me to, look it up, I gotta open the notification and control center. Then it will provide me with the exact percentage of the battery health I have left. But if you would like to be able to see it at the right part of a status bar at all times, just launch settings, enter the battery category, and switch on this little toggle. And from now on, you'll be, always informed how much power you have left. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions left, don't hesitate to leave them at the comment section below. And bye-bye.